How to add a countdown timer to Canva presentation. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account, and then select on one of the presentations for your Canva application. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have already selected a presentation for me to add the countdown. So what I'm going to do is, all you have to do is just tap on the elements option over here. So tap on elements, and as you do that, tap on the search bar, and as you tap on the search bar, search for countdown. So as you search for countdown timer, you'll be able to see different options over here. So you can select any of the timers that is more convenient for your project. So I'm going to select on this one over here, and as you do that, you can just arrange it according to the size that is required for you, and then you'll be able to see it on your page over here. So as you do that, you can just play it and you can see your countdown timer has been added on your presentation. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.